welcome back to my channel. It's me, mesarastarr. Thank you so much for being here. For those of you who are new to my channel, I just want to introduce myself really quickly. My name is Sarah, and I do shopping hauls. I go to lots of different places, and then I do videos about them. Yeah, so that's what I do and what I love to do. So I like to show where I go, as far as like deals I find, or what I find when I go shopping and that kind of thing. So again, my name is Sarah and I'm glad to have you here. So without further ado, I'll get into my haul. So I went to the Dollar Tree today. Yay, I know, I'm so excited. So the first thing, I got a lot of stuff, you guys. So here's some of it. Some of it just fell down. Where did it go? Okay, I'll have to like reach and grab it. It just like flew across the floor almost. But the first thing I want to show you, I got, and here's my bag. I was able to put some of the stuff in these baskets I bought. So I got, where is it? I just saw it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you that I got is this today. And I did a try on before with their red lipstick that I bought. So I tried, I do love their lip gloss, this particular one. This tube of, because they do have different lip glosses. I've tried the one that is like a little longer than this, and I don't care for that as much. This one I like because it feels like it has more glossiness to it. Yeah, so I picked up this color today. I've never tried it before, and this color, I mean, and it's called Dreamy Pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys. I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm going to put it on. I already have lipstick on right now, but I'm going to layer it with this to see how well it looks with this on top of it. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back, okay guys? But I just want to show you the packaging before, and again, it's called Dreamy Pink. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have it on, and just as I suspected, I would love it because I told you I love this particular tube of LA Colors. So this is, again, a new color for me, and I love it. Do you see how glossy it is? I could wear this alone, or with this on, like, I mean, I could wear this color alone or on top of a lipstick like I have right now. So here it is again. Here's the color. It's just so pretty. Do you see how it kind of has some like sheen in it? Or sheen, that's not a word for this. Sparkle, kind of like a sparkly. Yeah, it looks like there's little sparkles in there. And I don't think my camera's picking it up very well to show you, but yeah. So yay, I did get something I liked there. I'm glad about that. The next thing I got was repeat buy of these toilet paper rolls. So we got 1, 2, 3. Oops. So we got 3 rolls of those today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them down here for the time being. And then I picked up construction paper. So, oops, yeah, so this is the back of what it would look like. So we got these for when my kids do their science fair projects. These are great for, you know how making a border for like the, kind of like a frame, I mean, for like their different, like hypothesis, summary, I forget different categories, but yeah, for different categories we use my kids will use these as like borders. So it looks really good on the poster boards. So yeah, it's a great buy in there. I bought 2 packs, one for each of my girls, because I have 2 of them doing science projects this year. So yeah, that's a good deal. There's 36 in each sheet. I know that those have been around for a while, the construction paper. So I'm sorry if that was a boring show and tell there, but we'll move on now. So the next thing I got, this is new to me, is permanent markers by Jot. So kind of like Sharpie markers, I'm assuming. So definitely always need this kind of stuff, you know what I mean? And I'm still thinking ahead, like, again, science project, what we might need. So I just want to be prepared, and 4 for $1 is just really good buy. So yeah, there's 4 in there. Then I picked up toothbrushes, Thomas and Friends, so 2 for $1. Really good buy on those. So I'll go ahead and zoom in on these. Really cute. My son loves Thomas, so yeah. I always like to have extra toothbrushes on hand and that kind of thing to have in my stock pile. I picked up lemon pepper today. We were getting a little low on that, and so I don't think I've tried this lemon pepper from Dollar Tree before, but I have tried some of their other spices, so this should be just good. Like, just as, I'm hoping just as comparable as the ones I buy at like grocery stores. So yeah, so this was $1, such a good deal, lemon pepper. So yeah, it's a little bit more, the only thing I'm a little bit, like it's a little bit more powdery, not powdery, but a little bit more, do you see how it's like not as thicker, you know, like some of the lemon peppers have like darker specks in it. I don't know, I guess that's the pepper part. Sorry, I'm not much of a cook, but anyway, for $1, it's a, you know, really good bite. I'm sure it's gonna be good, you know what I mean? Then I picked up a roll of paper towels, again, repeat buy, and then I picked up these for my daughters. So I picked up This Girl Won't Stop. So it's just a really cute notebook. And this like thing in my hair is really annoying me, this like little like funny piece. Okay, This Girl Won't Stop, and I wish it was plain on the inside, but it's not, so that's okay. It's lined, but it's a really sweet journal. Then I picked up for my other daughter, Little But Fierce. So it's really cute. And the back has the same type of holographics look there, Little But Fierce. And then we got Strong is the New Pretty. So these are for my 3 daughters. Yeah, so we got those. Then I picked up tattoos, glitter tattoos. I thought these were so cute. This was over by the stickers, and never seen these there before, so I went ahead and grabbed those. And they're glitter tattoos. I love that they're like cute little food items. That's so cute. And you can see that it have 2 sides to it, and there's 24 total in there. So it'll be something fun for my kids to have fun with. Yeah, so I thought that was really cute. I thought I was going to tell you, I forgot to tell you guys, when I got there, I had noticed that one of the racks was super tall. You know how like, so I walked in and I'm like, it's like I had to like look up. They're expanding the racks at my store as far as the height. And they had one aisle blocked off completely, the toy aisle. And I was like, what are you guys doing? And they're like, we're expanding the racks. So they're actually adding height to the racks. So they're going to be taller. So they said because they want to be able to put more inventory up for it, like that's in the back. They want to be able to put it out in the front. So I'm so excited about it. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so exciting. And yeah, and they said just a couple stores near me are going to be doing that same thing where they're going to be adding height to the racks. I was like, wow. It was like so weird when I walked in, like there was a height like difference. I was like, that caught me off guard because, you know, it was noticeable. So I thought that was really cool, and I'm excited because now it seems like my Dollar Tree will have more stuff. I'm really excited. I'm hoping they'll have more stuff, you know what I mean? It sounds like that they, you know, want to get that stuff out of the back room and onto the floor as well. So I'm really excited about it. Then I picked up these cotton swabs. There's 250 count. They had, what did they have there? They had 350 count, I think, but it had plastic sticks instead of, I think these are actually cotton sticks, I think. Yeah, these are more like a cotton stick, paper stick. So they had a cotton one for plastic sticks for $3.50 and paper sticks. So I picked up the $2.50, the less count, because I don't think we've used the plastic stick ones, and I just didn't want, I want to make sure that we, you know, I'm a creature of habit, so I just wanted to use what we've kind of used before, the paper ones, I mean the paper stick kind. So yeah, you know, the Q-tip kind of comparable to the, I'm hoping it's comparable to the Q-tip ones, the brand. And then I picked up another thing of paper plates, 40 count. And then I picked up, what else did I get? Oh, I got the sugar wafers. My kids really like these. They come in chocolate and I think a different flavor, I'm not sure. But yeah, we always get the strawberry ones. So yeah, it's a good deal. There are, oh, I don't know, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, about 20, 30 in there. 20 or 30, 25, 30 in there. So yeah. And then I picked up, I'm going to pause the video so I can reach over and grab it. I'll be right back. Okay, speaking of reach over, I just realized I have a reaching stick I bought today too. Seriously, like that was not even planned. But I bought it, that would have been handy just a second ago. But I bought a reaching stick today, and I don't think I'll have, I don't know if I'm ever going to have a use for this, but I'm like that, I've always kind of thought they were cool. And there was only 4 on the shelf, and I'm like, this is going to be like something I think that will sell out. And I think this could come in handy, like, you know what I mean? It says long reach and pickup. So made by Tool Bench. I can't use the claw right now because it's tied. But yeah, it came in, I think I did 2 different colors. I chose the blue. but I'm sure I'll find something for this, and it's just something I'll keep in our tool bench, you know what I mean, at home, you know. So I mean, you know, I don't know how sturdy this is when you go to grab something, but I'm sure I'll think of something to use it for. And like I said, $1. I think it's just something good to have on hand. I mean, in my opinion, something good to have in your, you know, tool bench type thing. So yeah, I wish I could show you guys how the like lobster claw works, but it's all tied up at the moment. So yeah, okay. Then I picked up the frozen 36 count cup again. This is like a repeat buy for us, but these have worked great for my kids when they're using mouthwash and, you know, or they need, like in their bathrooms is where we put these. So these are great. Yeah, love these. 36 count, and I like now that they've actually put a sticker. You see how they have a sticker? It's sealed. Before they weren't sealed, and like some of them people would open to look at them in the store, and it's like, I just want it to be like, you know, sanitary, like the cups. So I'm glad they sealed that now, because now they're not being like pulled out and all that kind of stuff. Okay, then I picked up, let me show you. You can see from when I started the video, I picked up 3 more laundry baskets, and I love these colors. They had hot pink there, a pretty gray. They had a pretty gray one. It was between this for me or the blue, and I chose the blue. So there's 3 right now. So we have. So I needed those. Then I picked up. This was new, kind of in their summer area. They're the aloe vera 25 count towelettes. So I thought this would be good to keep like in in the summer. So it's like soothing sunburn relief. So, I mean, you can't go wrong having that, right? Like in your medicine cabinet, not medicine cabinet, but with your sun stuff, like your sunblock and all that. So, yeah, so 25 count, and thought that was pretty cool. I like that the tab lifts up so you can reseal it. And it's block after sun towelettes, and all the directions and stuff are on the back. But yeah, see, it's all like written in the back, how to use it and whatnot. You get 25 in there, like I said. Then what I was really excited about is I found, and it's probably going to be my screenshot image. I took a picture of the store. I found baby's breath. Now this green may not be showing, so I might use the photo I took in the store as my backdrop right now. But this baby's breath, I love baby's breath. Like I know baby's breath, because I have asked for like, okay, when I've done bouquets for like gifts for people, like from florists, I'll say, can I get baby's breath? And they go, well, that's not really, I've heard, and to each their own. Like I love baby's breath, but I've actually been told, it's really funny, by a florist one time that, oh, baby's breath is like kind of 80s. I was like, what? I'm like, she told me that. I'm like, I don't think it's I mean, yeah, I know baby's breath was probably baby breath, however they call it. It's called gypso, but I've always known it as baby's breath, right? I think that's what they're called. But it's called gypso here. Okay. Anyway, okay, where am I going with this? It's just beautiful. And as I was looking, another lady saw, and she saw these 2 there in the aisle, and she was looking at them too, and she grabbed a couple. I only grabbed 1, and the reason why I grabbed 1 is because I had hauled these, and I brought them up to show you these, and it might be clear. I'm hoping you guys can see it, because the green screen sometimes makes glass invisible. But I bought these a while back, or not a while back, like a few weeks ago, like maybe 2-3 weeks ago I hauled these. So what I'm going to do, I have 3 of them, and I'm going to put them in my window, and they look so pretty in my window, the glass with the light, it just hits it so beautifully. And I bought roses, so for Valentine's Day, I got the ones that have 6 in there, and I picked these. They have some really nice ones, and I'm kind of sad because after I left, the front of outside the door, they have a big display of flowers you could buy as well, and they almost had better ones outside than these, but I'd already bought these, and I'm like, I don't feel like going in. I didn't have time to go exchange them or whatever, so I'm going to use these, and they're really there's nothing wrong with these, but they had some that were like more roses looking. These are, I don't even know what they call it. They call these roses, but they had other I guess roses can kind of come in different shapes. But I love these because the greenery looks so real. Like it looks so real. So that's why I chose this one. Now what I'm going to do is, like I said, break it up, and I'm going to put them in the 3 glasses, and I'm just going to put a little bit in that in each one. So I have 3 of these jars, and they're going to be on my windowsill, and it just looks so pretty and like summer, or not summery, but like springy, right? For summer. they look springy, or like they just look good for Valentine's Day in my opinion. Now this Baby's Breath is just so pretty, and I know I should have gotten more, but I'm like, this has a cup, and it has a lot of, it does fall off a lot easily. Like it like falls out of this. These are not on there very good. So anyway, I'm just gonna break them up, and these also have like the green leaves on them, so that this will fill up each little vase very nicely, I think. You see, so I think it's gonna look just, I'm serious, when it's in the window, something about the light with glass, it just is so pretty. So I'm excited about that. That was my favorite thing that I decided to do today. Kind of like a little DIY myself, you know what I mean? Something different, or not different, but something kind of like that'll spruce up the area where it's going to be like in my windowsill. So yeah, I decorate for Valentine's. I already put my heart on my front door, and I have a heart on the inside of my front door too. I put a hanger on the inside of my door and on the outside of my door. So I have the same hearts that I'm using from last year that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So they're like those red hearts, and I don't see them there this year. So they're like red tinsel hearts. So I have, and they're full. They're like full of tinsel. So I got one on the outside, one on the inside, and then I have some wreaths, some anyway, so not Christmas, but Valentine's stuff. I'm gonna still need to put up. Anyway, so I'm going on down another. I'm getting diverted. Sorry, I'm trying to just explain that I love Valentine's, and I've already started decorating. So yeah, and yeah. So with that being said, that is it, I think. I'm looking around making sure, but yeah, that is it. That's my haul, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. I always respond to the comments, and would love to have you part of my YouTube channel family, just to be here with me, and you know, just having you guys with me is just wonderful, and I really do appreciate you guys being here and supporting me. So with that being said, have a wonderful, wonderful Friday night, and I'll be back soon with another haul, okay? I'll just give you a little tidbit of what I'm gonna be hauling soon. It's my birthday month, right? So today, my birthday is not till the end of the month. So my birthday is February 28th. And so I know I was almost a leap year baby by like that close. I was actually born in the same leap year as leap year. So it's like just a few hours away of being a leap year baby. But it was like, I was like, what? When I opened up my email today, February 1st, I have like loads of offers from different places that I've signed up, you know, for free things for my birthday. So I'm going to be doing like some little hauls every now and then during this month, like sprinkled into my YouTube channel, so you guys can see what I'm getting for free. I think it's really fun. I'm super excited about it, and it just makes, you know, I'll be turning 39, so I'm just really excited about it. And yeah, so like I have several places to redeem things from, like for example, Hallmark, Charm and Charlie, DSW, Sephora, Bare Minerals, Ulta. There's just like a list of, I'm like, what? I'm like, keep getting all these offers because I did sign up for them. So it's really cool that, but I had forgotten, and I'm so happy that they're being so like sending them out, like, and not waiting until like the last minute and to where I can't use them, you know? So anyway, sorry, I got off on another track again. So anyway, but with that being said, thank you again so much for being here, and I'll be back soon, guys, I promise, with another haul. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Bye.